know that you can make 50k to 200k monthly without leaving your house? Now, imagine that you don't have to leave the comfort of your home every day to make money. Imagine that you can make money while sleeping and when you are not doing anything. Now, this is the type of opportunity that TDC is giving you. TDC is giving you an opportunity to make money when you are sleeping. Now, watch the video to understand how you can make 50k to 200k monthly from TDC. TDC stands for Trust, Dignity and Competence. It is a platform that pays you when you carry out transaction. It pays you when you buy data, airtime, GoTV sub, and even when you pay NEPA bill. You can also sell TDC products and make extra gains. MTN says MTN data 2 GB for 1,200. In TDC, you can get it for just 660 naira, and you can add your profit to it and sell to others. Now, interesting part of TDC is that anybody you introduce into TDC will pay you and also pay them. Now, apart from the fact that TDC will pay you for registering the person, TDC will also pay you when that person carry out any transaction. Now, when that person you registered go on to register other people, TDC will pay that person and also pay you. Now, you can call the person your downline and register your second downline. Now, when your second downline introduce TDC to other people, TDC will pay you, pay your downline, and also pay them. Now, when the person your second downline introduce TDC to other people, TDC will also pay you. Now, this payment pattern continues down to the 15th generation. Now, apart from getting paid when they register, you will also get paid when they carry out transactions in TDC. Now, imagine getting paid when thousands of people are recharging their phone, buying data, buying airtime, doing GoTV sub. It will be amazing, right? This means that you can sleep and wake up and see money in your TDC wallet because you have registered people, and these people, they have registered others. Now, imagine that every day you sleep, you know that you are making money while you are sleeping. It will be amazing, right? Another interesting part of TDC is that it pays you every day. It pays every day to your bank account. You don't have to wait till the end of the month. Now, another good thing about TDC is that after registration, you'll be trained on how to do well in this business. If you want to resell TDC products, you'll be trained on how to go about it and how to get customers. If you want to recruit others, you will be trained. In TDC, we believe in everybody winning. Check out a lot and testimonials from some TDC pioneers. This person has made over ₦1 million in TDC. This person is a youth couple that has made over 250,000 naira from TDC. As you can see, this is an appreciation message for those that are taking out their time to make sure other TDC pioneers succeed in TDC. This person has received 160k alert from TDC. Now, as a TDC pioneer, you're also entitled to incentives. You can win as much as 100k when you get a PV of 600. You can win free trips to enjoy yourself in various tourism attraction sites. You can win various end of the year awards. Now, check out some TDC pioneers enjoying themselves in their last trip to Budu Mountain Resort in Calabar. This was an all expenses paid trip. Now, there are 8 packages you can register in TDC. You have the 2k package, 4k package, 10k package, 20k package, 40k package, 60k package, 80k package, and 100k package. Now, any package you register in TDC is going to give you 10% of your registration fee back. It's just like renting a shop and the person tells you take 10% of your rent and use it to start your business. Yes, TDC is going to give you 10% back. Now, if you are in the 2k package, anytime you register somebody, TDC is going to give you 20% of their registration fee. If you are in the 4k package, when you register somebody, TDC is going to give you 25% of their registration fee. If you are in the 10k package, when you register somebody, TDC will give you 30% of their registration fee. In the 20k package, TDC is going to give you 32% of the registration fee. You'll be losing a great deal of opportunity if you don't join TDC now. To join TDC, reply with sign up.